Hey guys, for this video I have some amazing Amazon promo code deals to share with you. Some really good stuff and stuff that we've never seen in the past. I really like when we can find some new items that people haven't been exposed to before. So we're going to get to some of those. Everything's going to be linked in the description down below if you see anything you like. First deal I want to show you is the gas pressure washer, 3400 PSI, 2.8 gallons per minute. Has a 212cc engine. It's going to come with a 30-foot pressure hose, the onboard soap tank, and 5 different nozzles. This is by Toolsea, and it is 30% off. So most of the time, almost every time that we see discounts on pressure washers, it's always the smaller electric ones, which they're pretty good, but they're always going to be less power than the gas-powered ones. And of course, with the gas engine, you don't have to worry about having electrical where you're going. Just make sure you got a water source. So we have 3,400 PSI. It starts out at $340, but we have a 30% promo code. Not sure when that expires, but it's good right now, There's your promo code to add at the Amazon checkout. So it's going to take about $100 off. You're going to be down to $240 for that guy. So really nice for the gas pressure washer. Also does have the wheels. That thing's going to be a little bit hefty, and we always want wheels with our pressure washer because it's annoying when they don't have it. We don't want to drag that thing around. Next up, we got the Flex 24-volt brushless 4-tool combo kit. You got the drill, the impact driver, reciprocating saw, and work light. It's going to come with two 2.5 amp hour batteries, and of course the charger. You get the handy dandy bag to go with it. So all brushless tools, yes, even the light. It's going to be on sale for just $249. Now we're price matching there with Acme Tools. And then Tool Up has it at the traditional full retail price of $340. So the sale price, taking about $100 off for, again, 4 tools, 2 batteries, your Flex combo kit. Next up, we have a 2-pack of suction cups. The glass lifting 8-inch tile suction cup lifters. This is by CC. And they are 45% off. So we saw something kind of similar with the Lowe's deal of the day a couple of days ago with DeWalt's cordless version. Their Grabo, same guy, but a cordless. You don't have to do it manually. These, kind of cool. It's got this little push button here with the red ring. So what you're going to do is hold it to whatever surface, the tile, the mirror, glass, whatever you have. And you just pump this guy right here until you can't see the red ring anymore. It's going to kind of suck in and go in this way as you pump it up. And that's going to tell you that you got, a good suction on it and that you're ready to go. You can pick that sucker up. So you're getting 2 of those suction cups, handy dandy case. Going to start out at $44.99, which I don't even hate that price because really useful tool to have, especially depending what kind of projects you have going on. But then we have a 45% promo code right here that's going through the end of August. So a couple of days to take advantage of it, assuming they don't kill the code early. You almost cut that in half. You're at like the $25 mark for 2 of these. Really good deal. And something that, this is one of them, I don't think we have seen this specific item as a sale or a promo code before. So I really liked that one. The socket fan light with remote. We started seeing these this year. There's a lot of different companies that have them. This has 6 wind speeds, 3 colors. You can change the hue of the color. It is dimmable. This is by Min Mup. And it is 50% off. So it just screws into a traditional light socket, and then you have your remote control to turn the light on and off or change the speed of the fan. But boy, is there any better way to get a little air movement, a little ceiling fan action without having to totally change out the fixture. Another thing I like specifically about this one is it has these down rods here. So if you were up in like a recessed light or something, without that you wouldn't be able to use this, but those will give you that extension to bring it down so you can put this into recessed lighting. Starts out at $27.99. We have a 50% promo code. Brings it down to $13.99. I didn't check. I should have. If you can use the promo code for multiple quantities, because especially if you're using it in recessed lighting, you may have 2 or 4 lights or something. You could stick one of these in each one, and that would actually be kind of cool. So $13.99 after the promo code. Again, checked all the promo codes. They are all working right now. But they can be killed at any time for any reason. So if you see something you like, you buy it now. You don't wait till later. Also, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next set of amazing deals. We got the Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, Acme Tools. Wherever we find the deals, we'll make videos for them. This one we have the cordless vacuum DeWalt compatible 20-volt, uses 20-volt DeWalt batteries, 5-in-1 handheld electric vacuum cleaner. This is by Iagathago. Has the HEPA filter. It's 50% off. So again, you're going to use your DeWalt 20-volt batteries. Love these DeWalt compatible tools. Getting some good tools at a fraction of the cost, especially something like the vacuum is perfect for this foray into the DeWalt compatible stuff. You can use it stub nose or you can get the long gun here. Got all these little extensions, the filter, the different attachments to go on that guy. Starts out at $100, little pricey, but we have that 50% promo code. Again, it goes through the end of August. It's going to make it $49.99 instead of $100 because you're cutting it in half. So really nice if you have the DeWalt batteries are in their platform already. Here we have a tire inflator, portable air compressor, cordless air pump. This is by Astro AI. We've definitely seen this brand on the channel before. 36% off. I like how these guys are super small, compact. Just keep it charged up. This thing will throw in the glove box, the center console, the trunk, wherever you need it. Keep it for emergency's sake. $24.99. Can even blow up your girlfriend with it. $24.99. 36% off. Again, this one also going through the end of the month. You're into the teens at some point there. Cordless stick water transfer pump. 2 4-amp-hour batteries and the charger. This is by CC again, the same company that had those glass lifters, those suction cups. 30% off on this guy. Really love this. Stick that little submersible guy down in there and get it all pumped out. Your pool, your basement, all your basement's flooding. A little supplemental to the sump pump there. Maybe the power's out. You got to keep the water flowing. Drain your pond, maybe. I could use that. RV pool, nah, it drains itself. Rain barrels. Come with 2 batteries. Keep one on the charger while you're using the other. Now, it starts out at $169.99. We have a Prime member discount. If you're a Prime member, open the Amazon page, see what your discount is, because your 30% promo code is going to work off whatever that Prime price is. I think it was either $99 or $109. We have another Prime deal coming up that was $99, and I may be getting it confused with this one, but you do get a Prime member discount, and then you get your 30% promo code. Again, this one going through the end of August as well. We got a bunch of them going through the end of August, or they are supposed to anyway. Next up, the 1/4-inch drive socket wrench set, 64-piece 1/4-inch impact metric socket set, deep and shallow, 6 points, coming with the 72-tooth ratchet by Dyson, 30% off. Handy dandy case. You get all these sockets, both the deeps, the shallows, a bunch of different bits, the little bit adapter guy. Then you get your drive handle, your ratchet. $23.09. Now that's a sale price, normally $33, so we're taking $10 off of that. No promo code or coupon needed. So of course sale prices can change at any time for any reason. We don't have any kind of expiration for that, but it doesn't really matter because they don't follow the expiration dates anyways. Next up, we have seen this one in the past, but it's a really good deal, so I like to bring it back to you guys. And this deal is actually a little bit better. The last time we saw it was 50% off. This time it's 60%. This is the 6-inch, but don't pay attention to that so much. Structural wood screws 50 count. Now, the reason I say don't pay attention to that, the Amazon page has a bunch of different options for you. Different lengths, different diameters, different quantities, and I didn't check every variation because there's a million of them on there, but I checked several different ones and they all had discounts on them. So again, these are structural screws, not your just typical drywall screw or whatever. Starts out at $46.98. We have this 50% promo code that goes to the end of the month. There's a 10% coupon on the page. Both the promo code and coupon will apply to multiple quantities. So if you want multiples of the same, you want different sizes or whatever, it should allow you to do all of that. Also, there was a discount on the page itself. That was a discount at checkout. Now, that does not stack with the promo code. However, if the promo code doesn't work, you should still be able to get that discount at checkout, assuming that it is still available. We have a couple options there. You're saving 60%. Again, these structural lag screws. We got a tool bag. We're going to start calling it a bear bag. Organizer, 16-inch for men, if you know, you know. Waterproof, heavy-duty bear bag. Soft handle, large zipper by Ironland, 40% off. So you even got the shoulder strap with it. You got your outside pouches. $19.79, 40% off, close to $10 there. It's supposed to go through September 2nd. Compressed air duster, love these things. Electric air duster, brushless motor, 3-gear adjustable cordless air blower, rechargeable by JV Scam. Boy, I don't know if I'd want to go that route with the brand name. 50% off to Junior Varsity Scam. It's not hitting the big leagues just yet. Have all the little guys here. It is rechargeable. These things have so much power. Closest thing you can get to a blowgun on an air compressor without actually having to air up that air compressor or lug it around. Actually, you know what? I was just using this the other day because the charge port on my cell phone's going bad, and I was hoping it was just dirt in there, so I took that thing blowing out the charge port. Now, dirt and stuff did come out, so it worked in that regard, but I still can't really charge my phone. It keeps beeping at me and telling me I'm not plugged in. Boy, have you ever had that problem? It's annoying. $39.98. Should I change the charge port myself, or will I just end up breaking my phone and let a professional do that shit? 50% off. That is 50. Not sure when it expires, but it's good right now. $39.98, 50% off. It's going to be $20. These things have dropped so much in price. It was only a few months ago you'd pay $60 for one of these guys. Got a jump starter, another one of my favorites, with air compressor. Car battery jump starter, 9-liter gas, 8-liter diesel, 12-volt portable. Hemmingson, 50% off. I love it when they combine the two tools here. You got the jump starter and the inflator. We're taking care of all sorts of emergencies with our vehicles. Stranded, can't get your car to start. You're getting out of a long day's work. It's wintertime, which is coming right around the corner. Can you believe it? The snow's going to be flying tomorrow. You'll blink and there'll be snow on the ground. You're going to be coming out of work for a nice long day. You're tired. You're freezing because it's snowing out. Get in the car. Click. Click. Ah, damn. But you got the jump starter. Go over to the trunk, grab the jump starter, hook it up, and then you hear and it starts right up. You're good to go. $69.99. Didn't have to even have another vehicle. Didn't need to call a tow truck or nothing. 30% promo code, 20% coupon. Starts out at $70. Going to be down to $34.99. Love that. We got some loppers. Tree trim and garden shears. Heavy-duty branch cutters. Pruning set by one of my favorite brands. Yeah, Dragon Horse. I want me some Dragon Horse. 40% off. Got the loppers and the pruners. Doing all our tree trimming. Little fall cleanup. $23.99. 40%. Not sure when it expires. Good right now. What was that, about $15 or so? Auger drill bit. Planning set of 4 garden ground earth spiral drill bit. 3/8-inch hex drive drill by Pittier. 30% off. So yeah, you're getting all 4 of those guys. Hook it up to your drill. $26.99. 35% promo code. Now, I got a couple of these back in the day. You know what it's perfect for? If you already have a garden, either flower garden, vegetable garden, and you're planting new stuff in there, and it's kind of already tilled up and loose a little bit, these work perfect for making those holes. Just super quick, and you're done. Drop in your seeds or your little starter plant, whatever you got going, and it's good to go. It's a little tougher if you got like hard ground or rocky ground. Like if it's never been tilled up or anything, it's a little bit of a slog with these things. But if you already have stuff that's broken up a little bit, or like I got some real sandy dirt here, so it's kind of easy to dig. So these go right through that. But if it's like clay or wet and muddy, you're gonna have a little bit more difficult time. But still, at this price, and you're getting 4 of them, I like it. Now, I want to show you the home improvement page. So across the top of the website, it's cut off on this page, but we have all our category pages: apparel, automotive, home improvement, sports and outdoors, tech, and then the deals for her. This is the home improvement page, and I want to show you a couple of things that I had added to this page. First, we have the Yes Welder. 135 amp. It's $149.99, but if you are a Prime member, it's only $99.99. So $50 off. It's the lowest price in 30 days, according to Amazon's little blurb on their page. So just under $100. Great deal on that. Now, also, I found these 2, but there's probably others if you were looking around. Rust-Oleum 6-pack of paint. The first one I actually really like is the clear coat. I'm going to get some of that for myself because that's super useful to have. $24.88 for a 6-pack. I mean, have you priced spray paint lately? So expensive. I couldn't believe it. I had a couple of months ago. I had to do a project on something. I spent more on the damn paint than I did on the wood to build the thing. I thought, you got to be kidding me. And lumber prices are high too. When I was a kid, I swear you could get spray paint for 99 cents a can. You ain't doing that no more. So then I also saw the blue. 6-pack of blue, $24.99. It shows them almost half price. But if you go to these Amazon pages, there's a ton of different variations if you don't want the 6-pack or you want different colors. What I saw, it was the 6-packs that were discounted. Obviously not every color, but it may be worth your time to look around if you want something because it's a good price. Here also we have the 14-piece quarter-inch magnetic ratcheting screwdriver set down to $9.98. Now that's just a sale price, half off, getting all the bits, ratcheting screwdriver. We also have these jigsaw blades, the T-shank. They're only going to be $6.38, normally $12.77. Comes with a little handy-dandy case. Get some wood and metal blades in there. I think those are the only things I specifically wanted to point out on this page. But there's tons of stuff. I mean, there's maybe 100 different deals on here with a bunch of little promo codes. Like someone would really want these. The 10-pack of the D-shaped chain locking quick link connectors. So normally $10, 50% off makes them only $5. Get the little flush cut saw at $4. Just a bunch of some really good deals in here. So there it is, guys. Everything's going to be linked down below. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for not subscribe. I'll have some more amazing deals for you. I actually have another set of things all ready to go. We'll either post it tonight or tomorrow. So be the first on that one. Click the bell. Turn on all notifications because some of these are going to die pretty quickly and then you're going to be mad at me. It's not my fault. Click the bell and you'll be the first to know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.